In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on a Windows PC. Whether you're updating it for personal preference or establishing a professional touch, changing your profile picture is straightforward, and we'll walk through it step by step to ensure clarity. First, let's get started by heading to your desktop. If your screen is cluttered, feel free to minimize or close any open windows. Now, to proceed further, you'll want to summon the Windows Start menu. To do this, simply press the Windows key on your keyboard, which you can find usually at the bottom left corner. Alternatively, for those who prefer using a mouse, just click the Windows icon located on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. With the Start menu visible, our next destination is the Settings menu. This is your hub for making various changes to your system. From the options presented, look for and click on Settings. If you don't see it right away, you might find it helpful to use the search bar to type in Settings, and then select it from the list. Now that you're inside the Settings panel, focus your gaze on the left sidebar. Here you'll find numerous categories, but the one we want is labeled Accounts. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the Accounts section, you're presented with several options tailored to managing your account details. What we want today is the Your Info page, so click on Your Info to proceed. This section allows you to manage various facets of your user profile, including, of course, your profile picture. Currently, you might see an existing picture or a generic icon if you haven't set one yet. To change this, the option to either open a camera for a quick snapshot or browse files for an existing picture will appear. For this lesson, we're focusing on how to browse for a picture, so click Browse Files. A window will pop up that lets you navigate through the folders on your computer. Now take your time to decide which picture best represents you. It's always fun to personalize this part, whether you choose a professional headshot or something more relaxed. Once you've located the picture you'd like to use, select it by clicking on it. With your preferred photograph highlighted, the next thing to do is press the Open button at the bottom of the window. Doing this confirms your selection and sets the chosen image as your new profile picture. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your profile picture, giving your account a fresh look. Whenever you log on, your new picture will greet you, adding a personal touch to your interaction with your PC. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.